clouds all turn to ash so slow, and blew away his eyes.
The abuse of certain drugs can lead to horrible events with the user and the people around the user. Some of these events consist of suicide, bullying, and child abuse. With over 22.6 million users of illegal substances of last year, it's more than likely harmful situations would arise.
The darkness over day, that night, and the clouds of
Because alcohol is a depressant, it often leads to depressing thoughts and feelings, which lead people to becoming suicidal.
this wind kept blowing, blowing. I used to be my own protection.
Pharmaceuticals were involved in 95% of suicide attempts in 2008. Females tend to use anti-anxiety, antidepressant, and sleeping pills, which makes up the 95% of suicide attempts. Males tend to use more illicit drugs and consume more alcohol during their suicide attempts. This leads to more reckless behavior and more powerful and dangerous methods for their attempts.
That night, and the clouds above moved closer, looking so dissatisfied, and the ground below grew colder as they put you down inside. But the heartless wind kept blowing, blowing.
Child abuse is the physical maltreatment of a child. Substance using and child abuse have a definite correlation. About 1/4 of child abusers use some sort of substance. However, 2/3 of drug users are likely to abuse or neglect children. Drug abusing parents are 3 times as likely to use their children and 4 times as likely to neglect their children.
Parents who use substances are most likely to neglect children out of all mistreatments.
Bullying is abusing or intimidating people who appear to be smaller, weaker, or at a disadvantage. There appears to be a correlation between bullies and drug users. 11.4% of middle school bullies use drugs, whereas 31.7% of high school bullies use drugs. Bully victims usually have lower self-esteem, therefore, oftentimes they resort to suicide to escape their stressors. Other times, they use alcohol and drugs to temporarily escape reality.
I am the ocean, I am the sea. There is a world inside of me. I am the ocean, I am the sea. There is the world inside of me. I am the ocean.
According to this graph, as kids get older, they get bullied more often over the internet.
I am the ocean.